Krishna Kripa Shri Murti Shri Guru. Shri Guru Charana Padmam Kevala Bhakati Sadmam Bandamuye Savadhanam Te Jaharam Prasadeng Bhanya Bhavatoriyam Jamam Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chittate Koriyaikyam Maranam Koriho Manim Asham Bhakti is so sweet. So sweet, so natural, so simple. Bhakti means Raga Bhakti. Bhakti means, why are we saying Raga? Raga is fond attachment. A little child. How naturally, how sweetly, how simply he is attached to the mother, a little child. For that little child, it is Ma Mukha Padma Vakya. Whatever Mama says, yeah, child, I will bring you that moon here. Yeah, Mama will bring the moon here, period. That is little child's world. That is Raga. When we have that for our mother who brings Krishna, our mother is Shri Guru who brings Krishna. And then Bhakti is so simple, so straightforward. So simple, so straightforward. Bhakti is all about Sambandha and Anubhuti. That's all. Literally, that's all. We, because of the influence of modes and ahankara especially, we try to get very technical, very mental, very heady about it in the head. But Bhakti is simply Sambandha and Anubhuti. Simple. Please keep it simple. Bhakti is about Sambandha and Anubhuti, period. That's what the child has for the mother. My mother. I love her. Sambandha, Anubhuti. Then what about the Shastra? What about the Seva? What about this? What about that? Everything will come. पहले तो ये है संबंध and अनुभूति. Live there. Everything else will happen. Why run around, pick up the peripherals, try to fix the peripherals? Bhakti is about sambandha and anubhuti. Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chittate Koriyaikyam Aranam Koriho Manim Asham Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamam Gatim Ye Prasadi Pure Sarva Asha. See, Ye Prasadi Pure Sarva Asha. All the ashas will be purified simply by remaining in Sambandha and Anubhuti. Remain in Sambandha and Anubhuti. The do will come. It's not the other way around. It's not that, okay, you do, and someday you will feel it inside. What feel it inside? How will it come? Just if it is do outside. But what happens is in sadhana bhakti, we do. The do is Krishna, please say. I have no taste at all, no understanding at all. I don't know what's going on, but I'm doing Krishna. We're attracting mercy. Bhagavan is thinking, oh, bichara. Okay, let me give some mercy. And when the mercy comes, then we hear, oh, all this do business is to actually have this sambandha and anubhuti. That's when we know, oh, so the mercy is this. Like that. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु आधम जनार बंधु लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवाना. When I realize that I'm Adhama, then I will see Sri Guru as Adhama Janara Bandhu. If I am not seeing Sri Guru as Adhama Janara Bandhu, I didn't even realize that I am an Adhama. When I realize that I am Adhama, then immediately we will see. Oh, here is Krishna Kripa Shri Murti, Adhama Janara Bandhu. Please, yes, rescue me, please. Enough with this mind, enough with this intelligence, enough of it with this ahankara. Please rescue. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adhama Janara Bandhu Lokanath Lokera Jivana हाँ प्रभु को रोदाया दे हमोरे पाद चयन ए बिजाज कुशु त्रिभुवन श्रील प्रभुपाद पतिता पावन गुरुदेव होइलो शरण जय प्रभुपादा जय प्रभुपादं जय प्रभुपादं श्रील प्रभुपादं जय गुरुदेवां जय गुरुदेवां जय गुरुदेवां जय गुरुदेवां श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यैव च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They are dear to Govinda. Bowing down to all the Vaishnavas and taking the dust from the lotus feet of the Vaishnavas, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padadhuli tahe mora snana keli tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama Dhana mora Nityananda Ati mora Gaura Chandra. Oh my God, Gaura Chandra. When Gaura Chandra comes into the picture, everything is just simply imbued with love for Krishna. Prema Bhakti. Gaura Chandra. Prana Mora Yogala Kishora. Vrindaye Tulasi Devyaye Priyaye Kesavasya Cham Krishna Bhakti Prade Devi Satyavate Namo Namaha. Groves of Vrindavana, where we belong to as we speak, as we hear. Groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, intoxicating divine love. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namaha. Radha Krishna Seva Bhav Eya Abhilash E tomara sharanaloyi taravancha purna hoyi kripa kori koro tare Vrindavan vasi moreya bhilash vilas kunja vilovas nayani hari bosadam yugal ruparasi Aini vedana dharo sakhira nogata koram Sevadhikaro diyo koroni chatasin. This should be our internal tape recorder. Dina Krishna dase hoye mor raho. Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Basi. Yani kani cha papani brahmahatyadikani cha tani tani pranashanti pradakshina pade pade.